Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Subaru WRX. Stock number is A6908. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end, you have dual point exhaust, as well as a spoiler on the back, adding a very sporty touch. A rear backup camera, and this Subaru is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the trunk, Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and dual heated seats. And your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this WRX on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.